Hey guys, welcome in and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I'm sincerely Niko. In today's video, we're going to be trying out some new products. I recently received these in the mail today, and I'm going to try to pump this video out as quick as possible. And that is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're going to be trying out the new lip satin tints and also the brow pens that just came out. And we're going to talk about the new miniature setting powder that is also coming out with ABH. So if you guys are interested in any of these products, then definitely keep on watching this video. But before we get into it, again, if you guys are completely new and I am someone you guys are interested in watching, growing here on YouTube, we are almost at 5K subscribers. So please hit that subscribe button and join the Excellent Squad because we get lit, we try new products, we review, we do all that and the above in this channel. So let's get into it.
You used to call me on mine. You used to. Yeah.
I'm gonna head over to Trusty Dusty Trend Mood. I'm gonna head over to Trend Mood's website and get some information about this because it did not come in the packaging, so I don't know exactly how much all this is gonna cost. So I'm gonna go to Trend Mood's Instagram. So we're gonna talk about the lip stains. These are a new lipstick formula, very lightweight, pigmented, that will add a tint to your lip and dry it completely matte. These are $18. They're waterproof, won't budge, smooth, lightweight formula, give you a cool, comfortable, natural feel and won't dry out your lip. Formulated with no parabens, no gluten, no phthalates, talc, alcohol, or mineral oil. So the first product I'm gonna try out on camera is the brow pens from ABH. These retail for $22. It's a whole new formula and packaging. Fine tip detail pen that creates natural looking hairs for your brows. It details and defines the brows for a fuller looking finish. Super fine and firm brush tip create realistic looking thin hair strokes. It's waterproof and it glides on effortlessly. You guys, I can't say that word, effortlessly, and it gives a featherweight feel. So that's that. Then we have the miniature translucent powder. I was excited about this. I hope it comes in more shades because I do love the banana and the deep peach shade, and having these in my personal kit will be amazing. So far right now, I think they only have translucent out, but these retail for $19. I'm a huge fan of these setting powders, so we'll be using this in my video so you guys can kind of see me using the actual color that I prefer. But so just for reference real quickly, in the ABH foundation I am shade 510W or 520W. I fluctuate between the two. In Too Faced I am Tiramisu, in Fenty I'm 445, and in NARS I am New Caldona Natural Long Wear Radiant Foundation, and Makeup Forever I am 535. Just so you guys can kind of know exactly where I fall in with complexion, and if this works for me, then you kind of can give a better judgment on what you should get. If you want to go a little more darker than what this possibly can look on me, you will know. Alright, so let's go ahead and start filling in. I'm gonna do my little baseline and then do whatever I have to do for the rest. It's actually dark enough. Let me zoom you guys in so you guys can kind of see. So I like more of a detail brow than the feathery look, so I'm just filling it in as if I was to do it regularly, but I think this is dark enough. So I'm gonna go in the front and do my strokes. So I'm gonna take my ABH, this is the Dip Brow Gel, very much loved. As you guys can see, I really do love this, and it's in the shade Ebony. I'm gonna take that and just kind of feather that through the brow. Then I'm gonna take the shade Chocolate and I'm gonna feather the front a little bit, just to soften the color. And I like a little thicker concealer for my lower brow. I'm gonna reach back into the back of my collection and I'm actually pick up the ABH concealer. I have it in shade 6.5. It's one of my favorite concealers. I'm so upset that it was discontinued, because baby, she can cut a brow, she can cut a crease, she can cut a lid, she can cut whatever you need to cut. She's here for it. So I'm gonna take that on this paintbrush that I'm using. I'm just gonna clean up and define my brow. Then I'm gonna go in with the 7.0. Just a little bit more darker than the 6.5, and I'm gonna clean up the top part of my brow. Alright, so it's looking really good. I think this is going to be my new combination. I think this really definitely gave me some definition. And you can really, as you can see, I just did that little tail part. You can really sit there and draw in what you need without a problem. I think this is a really good innovation from ABH, being that they are known to be the brow authority in the beauty community. They have always put a stamp on the brow category, and I think adding this to their new collection is something innovative and new for their brand. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other brow, and then we're gonna get into everything else from here. Alright guys, so this pretty much completes this video. This is the look here. This is what I'm feeling. This is what's going on. Yes, I done pulled out the bang-yang wig.
This shit getting out of hand!
Okay, so my thoughts on the brow pens. I was sent lighter shades, so I'm actually going to get some of the darker shades when they do release. I think they come out on August 13th. I'm not 100% sure, but August 13th I think is when they come out. But nevertheless, I'm going to get some of the darker shades. I think medium brown did the job, but I feel like I might want to go and get chocolate or maybe dark brown, just so I can have more dimension towards the tail part of my brow. I just feel like it fades into the sauce, but that's fine. I think the innovation of it was really cool. I think the pigmentation is really, really there. So if you are looking for something that's simple, easy, and quick to put on for brows, that gives you that hair-like stroke, I honestly say go for it. I don't think ABH is a stranger to like the whole brow pen situation. I know I've tried the Kat Von D before, and I've tried the L'Oreal version of that one, but I feel like this one is really one of the best ones on the market, and I definitely think you guys should definitely try it out. As far as the setting powder, you guys saw me use the setting powder under my eyes on the camera. So I'm no stranger to the setting powder. I just wish that they come out with more shades besides translucent white. That's just my personal preference. It is very drying, so if you have oily skin, especially underneath here, because I do have oily skin around my T-zone area, it is perfect for that situation. But if you are dry prone from the get-go, I don't recommend this powder because it is super drying, but it's really good. It's really, really good. And then last but not least, the lip stain. I actually have on the shade Orchid, which is pretty. And then I popped on the Sephora Jelly Melt stain in the shade Foxtrot on top, just to kind of give it that glossy moment. Honestly, truly, I'm here for it. The color is very vibrant. I was thinking you're gonna get like a little tint, but no, you get a little bit more opaqueness with these lip stains. You get a little bit more color, cut, a new hairdo. So honestly, definitely, you know, look into getting the lip stains. They are worth it. So I'm going to literally jump off here, and I'm going to get me something to eat, get my life on track, and I will see you guys in the next video, right? Right. Peace. Bye.